Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 3rd of September 2020. Briefly before we move on, today we'll drop two strategies just like we do every month. We'll drop one on the old channel and one on the new channel. So for those who haven't subscribed, we'll get to that later. So before we move on, this will update all members who have purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boats. The version 4.0 will be released this week. And we're going to update everyone who have purchased the boat. We're going to send it to all our previous buyers at no cost. So just watch out, make sure you check your email for the new version. We'll be sending it out in batches, so just wait. We will get yours as soon as we packaged the whole stuff together. So just wait for it in coming days. Just check your email. So for those who haven't purchased the boat, this is the link again to purchase the boats: www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. This boat works on Deriv and binary.com interface, and is very effective if utilized as stated in the guide and the email we sent to you. These are some of the few results these are a few days ago. As you can see, it's all green right here. As you can see everything. These are some of the results right there. This is Deriv. You can see these are some of the results right there as well. So this is Deriv, and this is binary.com. So this is the boat again, and this is the link to purchase the boats. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels. We will release a video once the version is ready, and once we roll it out, we'll release a video. So subscribe to our channels for more updates on the boats and all our strategies. Just subscribe to our channels. So let's get back to the trading. Today we'll be trading the touch no touch volatility 50 index. So as you can see, I've logged in. So if you've logged in, we are using the Deriv interface. Just make sure you log in. You can use the same login details you use for your binary.com account to log in. So once you log in, just change it to Smart Trader. As you can, if you are using our boat, you are going to click on D boats. So if you are using this strategy, you are going to be clicking on Smart Trader. For boats users, you click on D boat and load the boat. So just change this to Smart Trader. Here again is the link to purchase the boat. This is the link again right here: www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. Just visit that link to purchase the boat. You can make payments using your Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, and for foreign payments, PayPal is currently not working, so you can pay into our dollar account. Is on the boat page. Just do transfer. We receive the payments every day into our dollar account. So once you pay in, make your transfer, the dollar account is there. Just complete your order form by submitting the payment option you use. If it is a dollar account, you state it there. If it is a Bitcoin, you input your hash code. Perfect Money, just input the transaction ID. Web Money as well. And if it is a credit card, just input it right there. So this is the strategy again for today. Let's get back to the strategy. So once you change to Smart Trader, you click on the volatility 50 index. Don't click on the volatility 51x. Any of our trades, do not click on the 1x right here. It's very risky trading. I don't know why they put it there. It's not a good trading interface. I don't really like it. It's risky. So always click on the volatility 50 index or any of the index you see right here. If you are using any of our strategy, always click on the index, the one that doesn't have the 1x. So once you click on that, then you click on the trade type, which is a touch and no touch. So you click on it. So once you are done with that, you change your tick to 6. It will be 5. The default is 5. You change it to tick. Then the barrier offset for this strategy is plus 0.0780. So you are going to change this one to payout, not stake. So you can see I started with 12, but you can scale up. You can apply martingale by adding up the amount for more profits. So it depends on what you have in your account balance. So let's go for the first trade, and we'll place few more trades. We are going to be working on this with these colors right here. That's this colors. You can see is this one is blue, this one is red, this one is green. So on this tick turns to red and is at the edge here, not at the back. Once it's at the edge, we are going to be clicking on does not touch, which is down here, this red one. So once this edge, you can see it's green now. Once it's red, we'll click on purchase. Once it's red, we'll click on purchase. You can see it's still green at the edge there. Then the red must also be pointing down before we click on purchase, not up. You can see it's blue, it's green, and the red is at the back. So the red has to be at the edge. So let's wait. That's green right there. We are waiting for red. So you have to be fast. Once you see the red at the edge, we are going to click on purchase. That's red and it's facing down, so we click on purchase right there. So as you can see, we want that trade, so I'm going to add up to this. So we are going to watch again. We are going to wait for at least a minute or so before we go for our second trade. You can see the red is facing down again and it's showing right here, but I want to wait for like a minute. So let's go for two more trades before we proceed to the second strategy for today. Okay, so let's go for our second trade. Let's watch again. So the red must be at the edge here. That's green right there. That's green again. We are looking at the edge. These are the colors. This is red, is at the middle, this is blue, this is green. So the edge has to be red and it has to be facing down before we click on purchase. And we're going to be clicking on the no touch. This does not touch. That's what we're going to be clicking on. So you have to be smart with it. Your mouse has to be on this steady. So the moment you see the red this tick, you click on purchase. So let's wait and spot the red. The red is still at the back. That's blue at the edge there. That's green. That's red. So as you can see, we won the second trade and we took our time before the red appears. So let's go for final trade for today before we proceed to the second strategy. So I've added another amount again to this, so we have to watch carefully. We have to wait for at least 1 minute. So let's wait again before we watch. You can see I'm using the timer. For those who want to download this timer freely, just go to www.nigercruise.com. Go to the binary option section right there. This is it. This is it right here. But nigercruise.com is our forum. Just sign in there. The timer has been uploaded in the binary option section right there. You download it freely. So let's wait again for like 35 seconds before we go for the final trade. So you can make a lot of money with this strategy if you are patient and you apply as stated. Okay, so let's go for the last trade. So it's green. So once we spot the red, we'll click on the red. Quickly showed up, but it didn't stay for long, so that's why I didn't click on purchase, and my mouse wasn't on the purchase this thing yet. So let's spot the red again. It has to be at the edge and it has to be facing down. As green right there. As green again. We have to take our time. See, the movement is a bit sluggish right there. I think due to the network connection or something. So we have to wait. If there is no movement, we have to refresh. Can see there's no movement right here, so we have to refresh for us to okay. I think the internet connection has disconnected, so let's wait. Let's get it connected again. Okay, I think we are back online now, so let's change this again so that we can go for our final trade. So we have a movement again. So remember, this has restraint, so we have to quickly copy this again as 0.0780 0.0780. Okay, so you have to make sure that everything is set. The tick is still there and the payout is still there. You have to change that to payout. So we are going for the final trade. The timer has to set, and we can add to our timer. We don't have to wait now since we are going for our final trade before the next trade right there. So let's watch out again for the red at the edge. The internet is a bit slow right now, but it's moving again. The pattern is moving again, so let's wait. We have a green. Have to wait for the red. We are watching the edge right here. Let's see. Okay, the red appeared at the middle, but it has to appear at the edge, not middle. We have a green, we have a red finally. So as you can see, we want all the trades. We want all the trades right here. We want all the trades. So if you are patient enough and you watch the pattern carefully, you can make a lot of money using this strategy. So don't forget, we'll be stopping right here because we want to drop another strategy. So don't forget, if you haven't purchased the boats, just visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng. These are some of the previous results for the boats, and you can see these are previous results a few days ago. So the boat is still very active and effective. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. You can make your boat payment using your Bitcoin, your perfect money, web money, international bank transfer. We don't use Skrill. People that have been sending us messages, they want to send Skrill payment. We don't use that kind of payment option. So you can do international bank transfer to our dollar account. We receive it. Many buyers have used that payment option, so it works worldwide. Just make the transfer and we'll receive it. So then you complete your order form. So as stated, we'll be releasing the version 4.0 in few days, possibly today or tomorrow, and we'll send the update to all those who have purchased the boat. Thanks for watching. Watch out for our second strategy on our second channel. Bye.